Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. So HBAR on the larger time frame could still be in this white scenario. As per previous updates, the white scenario remains preferred, could eventually take us towards the $1 area up there. But we have to be aware that this chart has been ranging for a long time, okay? And therefore, I mean, these charts are super fragile. I just always need to say that because lots of new viewers are coming into the space, okay? And these are highly volatile price charts. The price has rallied significantly. A pullback is likely. There is at the moment no sign of a pullback yet. And we have reached in quite a direct fashion the target area after the price reacted to support. We have seen a rally towards the target area. As it's stated here, the first wave 3 target, this one, is located at 28.3 cents, which is also what I highlighted in previous updates about HBAR, that the price should get there in the third wave, and also that the white scenario is preferred, right? The thing is only the price is extended very directly towards this target. Let's see if we get there in a direct fashion. We are now we have approached some resistance levels, 16.8 cents and 23.2 cents. The A wave is now a 5-wave move up. So it could be wave A and 5 waves of wave 3 in a larger diagonal pattern, because in the white wave count, the wave 1 was an ABC structure, the wave 2 as well. The wave 3 would ideally also be an ABC structure, then a wave 4, then a wave 5. This is also possible that we in the yellow count, where this was an A wave down, ABC, and we form a top at any point, which is why we have the support area on the chart. And 5.9 cents is the level that helps us distinguish between the white count and the yellow count. Now, this is far away, therefore risk is high. It's quite simple, right? But we have some support levels on the smaller time frame that we are going to take a look at as well. I think it's just important to understand that so far, there's nothing that would suggest that the preferred scenario, which is, again, the white count, is in any way invalidated or wrong, or we deviate from the roadmap or something. No, it's actually following the white scenario, which suggests, especially on the larger time frame, that we're in a larger C wave and we might get towards 93 cents plus. Yeah, just note that the risk is now high, because it's likely that we're not gonna get there in a straight line. And please also note that once Bitcoin forms a major price top, well, it will break down most likely. Okay, the next resistances are at 23.2 cents and 28.3 cents. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here we actually had a breakout recently from an Elliott wave pattern. I posted that a couple of days ago on X, on Twitter. So if you want to get additional updates for certain coins, feel free to follow us there. There are some additional updates there. There are many more in the gold membership, but here on X, there's plenty of stuff like polls, short videos, mindset stuff, and so on. You find the link in the description. But this was posted a couple of days ago. This looks like an attempted upside breakout from an Elliott wave triangle. The move to the upside is very extended and could form a price top at any point, but one more high is likely developing. The next upside levels to watch, all the way up to 23 cents. So 20 cents and 23 cents were pointed out. The price was still holding around 70 cents at the time, and we have since then moved up all the way to, well, 21 cents. So it's actually reacted to one of the levels I pointed out here, the 20 cent level, pushed slightly above, but could not sustain above it. So that now allows us to understand the overall wave structure as a 5-wave move from the swing low that formed in November. We have a 5-wave move up in my interpretation, 1, 2, 3, and the wave 4 was a triangle, and the wave 5 is now unfolding. It could literally form a price top at any point. I'm on alert that this wave B could start at any point. Support levels start at 11.3 cents, go down to 5.9 cents. Bit more accurate here on the smaller time frame. And this is the one to use, obviously, when you're trading the smaller time frame. But again, as long as we're not even printing lower lows and lower highs, there's no sign that a top is in. We are still climbing higher, obviously, still printing higher highs, higher lows, and it would take minimally a break below the last swing low at 16.3 cents, 16.4 cents to suggest that some kind of a top is in place. So trend is still up, but now that we've actually formed a 5-wave move up, which again also could still extend, please understand that the risk is high. If you intend to hold it all the way up to 90 cents plus, just please note that pullbacks towards the 6 to 7 to 8 cent area at any point could happen. I'm not saying they have to happen, but this is the space we have to give the chart from an Elliott wave point of view, and we know that the price structure can maintain an overall upside, let's say, structure or trend, as long as we're holding this support area. But it's far away, all right? So risk is high, of course. Now, you often get these wild upside extensions in crypto, especially in impulsive structures. So if we zoom out a little bit, you see this 5-wave move, and you also see that we are in a resistance area, and the next resistance level is at 23 cents. That's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.